Remember Anna? She leverages ViberBots extensively to address her daily needs, from offering feedback to live agents for customer support, to locating bank branches and receiving attraction recommendations in London. Ever wondered how businesses achieve this? How can businesses develop chatbots with Infobip to streamline handling such inquiries, reducing both time and manpower? In this section, we are going to cover how to build a basic Viber bot on the Infobip web interface. To start building the Viber chatbot, go to portal.infobip.com to sign up or sign in. Navigate to Answers. Chatbots. Here, you'll find existing chatbots from all channels under this account, along with predefined templates provided by Infobip to simplify the process. Businesses have the option to customize these templates or create their own from scratch. Click on New Chatbot to configure the chatbot. Enter the chatbot name and choose the channel, sender, and language. The Build section on the right side of the screen offers a set of tools that can be used by dragging and dropping them onto the workspace. You can use these to build up the structure and flow of your automated Viber chat. For this demo, let's explore a Viber chatbot designed for gaming engagement. Let's see how it looks like from the end user side. When entering the bot, it asks for my name, company, and email. The responses are stored in Infobip People CDP. Businesses can also integrate AI into the chatbot via Infobip Answers to handle queries. Clicking Play Game initiates the game. Correct answers earn points, while incorrect ones prompt new questions. After completing the game, results are displayed, and users can choose to retry or end the chat. This demonstration highlights the versatility and customization options of Viber bots, along with their ability to collect user information using Infobip Answers and store it with Infobip People CDP. Now, let's delve into another highlight of building Viber bots via Infobip Answers and directing them to Infobip Conversations, which is the option to direct end users to communicate with live agents for more urgent issues. Let me show you how to set it up. First, return to our Viber bots in Infobip Answers. Determine where you want the contact agent route to be in the Viber bots flow. In this case, I'll place it at the beginning, where end users can choose to start the chat with GenAI, play the game, or contact live agents. You'll notice that the keyboard is already designed with the first two options. Now, let's add the third one, Contact Agent. Click on Send Text to edit the keyboard. Then, click on Add Keyboard button to start designing the third keyboard. Once created, remember to set up the attributes and add another user input agent. Then connect it to redirect to agent. If end users click on Contact Agent and the business activates Infobip Conversations, the chat of this end user will be found in Infobip Conversations.